Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply a working holiday visa for New Zealand. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened official website of Immigration New Zealand, and I have taken you to Canada Working Holiday Visa. So it's not that they just issue it for Canada, they issue for other countries too. For example, here on this page, you see that they have for Vietnam also. But for every country, there is slightly different like length of stay, quota, age range, and some other things. Okay, but most of things are similar. Like you cannot do a permanent job. Okay, but for this one or work with, I mean, based on the country, there could be some additional or different requirements. Okay. So of course, I'm not gonna go for each and every one of them. For example, you see for Vietnam now, okay? But for Canada, if you go, quota is unlimited. There's some relaxation in age gap, lengths of stays also more, cost the same, processing time is also same. You cannot accept a permanent job, okay? You can study or train for up to 6 months. You can choose to apply for 12 or 23. So this way it works, guys. So when you're ready to apply, means again, your country should be eligible, but let's say you are Canadian and you want to go on working holiday visa to New Zealand, how you can apply online is this. You need to uh, log in or create an account. So now you're going to create an account under uh, working holiday schemes. Okay, so you need to create an account if you're coming for the first time. So what are the things you need? First name, last name, email address, username, password, question, and register. Okay, so I'm gonna put some values here and then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay guys, so once you complete the registration, it sends you an email that doesn't contain any code or link for you to verify, but just a confirmation that you have got it. Now you can log in to the same page again, and when you come here, you first of all see that these are the countries who are eligible. And of course, for some countries, there are caps, okay? So if the cap is closed, you won't be able to apply. But for some countries, there was no cap. For example, Canada. So I can apply here. Of course, I won't be applying. I mean, I will not be submitting the application. Uh, I don't know why I'm so bad in capture. Finally, it went through. All right. So it's like uh, four tabs, four major tabs, and three under personal. I have three. Under health, I have no sub tabs. Character also have no tabs. Okay, fine, no worries. Let's go through one by one to all of them. Of course, I want personal details, preferred title, gender. You need to do as per your own case, okay, guys? Other name if you have ever been known for, if you had any. Date of birth as per it. But again, there's age criteria, right? So make sure you, before you apply, you actually meet that criteria. Country of birth, Your address. Okay. Country. I select uh, street number, street name. Don't do it like this. Do it as per your own. Yes. Just sample, guys. Contact is for telephone numbers which you can be contacted. On mobile, at least one you should definitely do. And one reply immigration advisor. I select no. Communication email is always good. You have this. I definitely MasterCard or Visa to pay the fee. Why wouldn't you? Haha. Identification. Passport details. Passport number. Check your passport, guys, and then enter. Don't enter like this. Citizenship of passport. Expiry date. Second form of another form of identification. So I'll put driving license. Document was issued. Let's say it was issued. I mean, again, it's as per your case. Expiry date of document. Just sample, guys. And whatever details you enter, verify at least two times. Industry, occupations. Let's say it's nothing is coming. I'll just write information. Can I get anything here? Okay. Search for software. Okay, due to whatever is a search is not working now, but you can search. Let me see if I can go to next. Of course, you need to fill all the sections before you can actually submit the application. Wow, I could go health. Now I've gone to health tab. Okay. Do you have a medical condition? Means you need to you had to complete those two options because of delay in loading. I left it, but yeah, there was a link to full occupation also that you can check. Industries and other things. The medical condition may require renal dialysis. I select no. The tuberculosis. Do you have any for a medical condition? Heart disease, no. Medical condition, I select no. Wire and drug musculation, no. Residential care, no. If you have answered yes, provide details. Have you spent a combined of total 3 months in any country not considered to be a low risk of TB? I select no. But if you have definitely select yes. Character. Have you ever been convicted of any offense? No. Finished. Have you ever been convicted which you have been sentenced imprisonment of 12 months or more? Deported from my own country? No. Have you ever been charged? Have you ever been convicted? Have you are currently under investigation? No. From any offense against any country or excluded from or refused entry to, removed from or asked to leave. Next. Have you previously issued a working holiday visa? You must answer even if you do not use this visa. Okay, but this guy has never applied, has never been issued. Okay, you have sufficient funds for him holding visa. Yes. Date you intend to travel. Let's say I go for June 20. Amount of time you would like to stay in New Zealand. I select 23 months. Have you been to New Zealand before? I said no. You have sufficient for the purchase and outward ticket. Yes. Scheme you are applying for. Yes. Okay. I can save it. Oh, wait. Have you been to New Zealand before? I select no. Now next is to proceed to submit your application. You understand, make any false statement, all the declarations. So read everything very carefully and then click on this and submit. Of course, I'm not going to do that, but this is how you do. Of course, that way to get payment also, and I'm not going to pay for the sample video, but you got an idea how to do this. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.